Some of the other things that have come from this research so far, we have been working with a clinician to think about how we might eventually take this from the lab into the field. And so working on sort of software designs, because as was mentioned earlier, uh, you know, just because a clinician wants to do something using 3D printing doesn't mean they want to become an expert in 3D printing or in the software and things like that. They already have an expertise. They don't need to learn a whole new one. So finding, sort of a way that we can use, in our case, we're using NTOP in field-driven design and taking point clouds from scans and things like this, so that we could link colors, like map colors to different densities of lattice structure. So what this would mean in practice would be that a prosthetist could essentially color in on a digital view of the socket they had created for somebody, different areas of the socket that they would want either more or less stiffness throughout the socket, really pinpoint the areas of the socket that they wanted more or less stiffness in. And they could color those in different colors based on, how firm they wanted things to be. And so being able to sort of map those colors to that density very easily in software is